So continuing from the previous part, okay, the first video. In this part, I'll be showing us how to customize from the header down. If you look at this right part, is where we will customize. In this left part, we have different options. Okay, the first thing you want to do now is go ahead and bring in a row. This row, can you see? Just drag and drop. Drag and drop. After you bring in a row, bring in 3 column. Can you see this 3 column option? Bring it. Make sure you bring in this kind of column so that you make this your page responsive. Okay, click on save to save it. Click on the center placeholder. Use your 2 finger to highlight it. Click on the center placeholder 2 times. Okay, then click on it twice, the center one. Okay, so that I'll be able to edit it. We want to bring in an image. Okay, so click on the center placeholder, then bring in an image placeholder. And you see, just drag it to the center. Ensure you are seeing it, ensure it's showing. Then drag the image there, the image placeholder. And you see it has entered. Click on the placeholder 2 times. Okay, click on it twice. Then come to the left part at that top where it's showing image file. Click on that icon. Then click on upload. Click to upload. So we'll be bringing in our logo. Before you come to start designing this landing page, ensure you've gotten your content, your images, your video links. If you have YouTube videos or Vimeo videos. Okay, I've done this tutorial so that you'll be able to start advertising on Google Ad, Facebook Ad. You need a website. Okay, so now I'll just bring in one logo quickly. So let's say I want to use that logo. So it's saying optimize uploaded image. Yes, optimize. Leave that box checked. Then click on insert. And you see our logo has been uploaded. Okay, so there are other options here. I'd like you to try them out. Try out this other option, like this one, to increase the size or to reduce the size. And you see overlay color. Overlay color simply means once the color that will be on top of the logo. Okay, so we don't want to add any color again, so just click on save. If you want to edit that logo, tap on it twice. Come to the logo and tap on it twice. You see that it will change there, so you'll be able to edit to the left part. Okay, so I'm not editing anything again. So I want the logo to be like that, so I'll just save it. And the next thing I want to do, can you see, this is how you keep customizing till you reach. Bring in another. Let's say we want to bring in another row. Okay, bring in another row and copy it. This row you just bring it, copy it. This icon that is next to that settings, after the settings, the next icon means to copy, not the third one. I just clicked on the third one. Let's click on the second one. Okay, I might not be able to brush through everything, but at your own time or as you keep working, check those things one after the other. Okay, they might be valuable. Then this first one, this first box, let's say we want to bring in click outside of it, then we want to bring in this section. Let's see, depending on what you want to do, you might not want to bring in a section. Okay, you might want to bring in 2 columns or whatever your advert is talking about. Okay, but if you are bringing in a section, this is what it will look like. Can you see? Let's say we want the section to be at the top, so that's what the section will look like. So we don't want a section. Let's undo this option at the top where it's showing that S icon. So I don't want this video to be too much. Where it's showing that S icon, that system view icon, those 2 arrows back and front, it means to do and undo. Take note of that. Okay, so from here now, let's see, let's copy this again. Let's copy this row, the second row. then drag it to the top. Okay, there's a section here already. Okay, we brought in a section. Yes, let's leave that section there. Then this part, let's just bring in a header, a headline. Okay, drop the headline there. Then click on save. So in the next video, I'll show us how to get some content from ChatGPT. Okay, so don't I'm doing this because you might be new to AI. So we'll quickly get the website content. Okay, ensure you get all your content before you start designing. Okay, so I'll show us how to get our content and images from ChatGPT and come back here to continue. So guys, this is how to build the header. Go ahead and watch it all over again and follow the steps. Okay, and you won't be lost. Stay tuned and watch the next video.